Hey crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Marissa. Today I have a little project that I'm going to share. I keep saying I'm going to do them in videos and then I make the project and I, just totally miss the opportunity to do a fun tutorial. And so I thought I would share this one because I have these, color schemes that I wrote up and I've been wanting to do stuff, and I'm still in Halloween mode and Erica's new designs are out, and I just thought it would be fun to show you guys something kind of quirky with the peppermint candy that just came out. This is how many you get, you guys. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think I said 8 on the last video, but it's a lot still. And so what I did was I'm gonna do these fun colors that are orange and yellow and pink for Halloween. I think, I'm still wanting to make some fun and vibrant things. So what I wanted to show you guys was how I'm going to create a little off pattern there, and I'm going to glue it down here. Now this paper is a Halloween, I used it for a neon Halloween swap, and it is so thin. It's like 24 pound. I found it at Michael's. It came with 4 really cool colors, and I have to double layer it up. So I'm going to do that. And then I'm going to just glue them down like so. Like you guys see how I'm doing that. So I kind of got to find where it's like cut out perfectly. There we go. And then I'm going to glue that down. And so I'll have these fun peppermint candies that are vibrant colors. Now, don't limit yourself to just thinking Halloween, right? Like there's green and white. You can do Easter with pink and like, glitter for Easter. Someone left a comment about, wanting ideas for different holidays. So it's color combinations, and I think this one is fun and vibrant. So let's glue that down. So for time's sake, I went ahead and glued down the peppermint shapes, as well as bringing out these other 2 that I'm going to use. These are going to be added in the center because I'm going to make little wands. So I have these straws. I'm going to use probably these 2. Let's do these 2. And what I want to do is, my goal is to, do that there and do one here. And then I'm going to glue these down here like this because I think it'd be so cute to have them stand up, right? And then on this one, I'm going to do, this is the ephemera from ScrapDiva Designs that just came out. There's pack 1 and pack 2, and there's so many in here. I had a hard time finding the right color to match. They were more purple, so I probably should have done something purple. So maybe that's my next batch that I'll do, is something with purple and like green, maybe in black. I think that would be cool. So I'm going to glue that down there. And I'm going to put this on a little bit of foam so that I can add a little charm dangle there. And then I'm going to glue this down in the center. And then what I want to do is I want to add the little witch here with her broom. But I'm going to add the Halloween like this. And that's going to be so cute. You guys, look at that. So it's just a fun way to use dyes in different ways. And here I'm going to add this down here. I'll probably add some more stuff and like real trim to this because I think it'd be cute, but I do want this on. Let's glue it down. Let me see. I have my hot glue gun here. I forgot to get my cordless one. I keep saying I'm going to get it out. Since I cleaned my craft room, I didn't do that. So I'm just going to add a little bit of glue here like this and glue this down like maybe there so that the pink is sort of hidden there. Right there will work, I think, or maybe just a little bit more there, right in the center. Now, the other thing I did was I took out some white pom-pom because I think it'll be cute to glue the pom-pom all the way around so that when it sits, it's got a cool little something there. So I'm going to just add a little bit of glue here like this, and you just glue that there. And where this came from is from Michael's. I bought one of those ribbon packs that they have for like 10 bucks, but I got it on sale for $4.99. I think it was $4.99. And yeah, $4.99. I think it was online, and then I just picked it up. So there we go. We're just gonna do that real quick. I need to add another glue stick. Super quick and simple, you guys. And this is a fun way to use up our trims and add that extra pizzazz to our projects. Let me see. I need the glue stick. Okay, so let's just finish this up like this. I think that should work. Yeah, okay. So there we go. Now we have a cute little pom-pom addition to this. And then I'm just gonna, look at that, you glue it down. But I am gonna add some foam stickers. I need to see, I think I need to double it up. So I'm going to add them here. These are from Happy Crafter Shop. She used to have them. They match the sticker, but there's another place, another shop that has the, is that gonna be good or am I going too far? No, that should be good there. I think that's good. I can't remember what the shop name is that has the foam stickers. Oh, I can't remember. I'm pretty sure you guys know. So I've gone ahead and glued this one down. I think it's a little off, but I'm okay with that. And then here I just added some foam to raise it up. And then I did also add the little pom-pom trim to this side. And I'm also going to glue it down like this, you know, put it right in the center. I think it'll be cute. Do this like this. Just gotta make sure I get right on the center this time. And now I'll have my 2 little lollipops ready to go. Now we're just going to decorate them. And okay, for this one here, I decided to pull out the, I have it right here, the Witch Hat Memory Decks set. It, just the outline shaker part of it, I see a little glue there. I decided that I want it kind of to stand out in a way. Just, I think that'll be so cute like that. And I took this trim from Joann's that I've been like slowly using up, and I just glued the back of it, you know, to some of the pieces and cut around it. And so now it's like this transparent witch hat. How cute is that? I love this. Okay, so I'm going to glue it down. I think I'm going to add some foam here where you can't see it, so it'll stay like that. And then I'm not going to add anywhere else. Just hope that it stays there. So I'm just going to use regular foam here. Like, ooh. Doesn't want to cooperate with me. Okay, so we're going to glue it down with some hot glue. Trusty hot glue there. Probably too much. And we're just gonna do that. Since it's hidden, it doesn't have to look perfect. And then here I'm gonna trim it just a bit. Of course, I'm gonna add a little bit more there too. There we go. And then we're gonna glue it down like that. And that's our first one is done. We are gonna add a little bit of glue there, obviously, so it'll stay as well. There we go, like that. How cute is that? And what I did was I took some of this little pink ribbon that I had, and I just glued a ruffle, and then added this orange and then this little spider. Now for this one, what I want to do is keep it a little bit on the simple side. I am just going to glue that down there. And I am going to add a little bit of glue, just a dab. I think it'll stay like that. And then we're going to take the Halloween word, and I am going to glue it down to her like this. And I'm going to put some pieces there. So we'll do, let's see, where is this? Like here. So we're gonna need a little bit of glue, because there we go. And then I'm gonna try to do like a little piece. back in here on her dress. Like that, it'll get her dress, but it'll also get the Halloween word out. Okay. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some glue here like this, so that the word will stay there. Like so. There we go. And so we have that done. And then let's not forget our bow. Although I don't think I'm gonna end up doing that. I think I'm gonna get some yarn instead, you guys. So I have my yarns here. These are just some that I picked up at I think Hobby Lobby is where I found these. I think they're so cute. And then this is just some fun fur yarn that I had in my stash. I pulled out these two. I think these colors, you guys, are perfect. So let's go through and kind of just, you know, I kind of eyeball it. Like I want long trims. So I'm going to, you know, I want like this, but then I'm going to tie it. So I'm going to, let's call that good. And then I'm also going to probably end up trimming some, but that's okay. We use our scraps here. So we're going to do that one like that. And then this, we're going to yank some out of there. This guy is not the way I wanted it, and we're also going to just eyeball. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and squeeze it under here like this. There we go. And I'm gonna do knots. I'm not gonna do like a bow or anything because there's so many that I think when it's messy like this, it looks pretty cool. So, and then we're gonna do another one just to make sure it's super tight. And you could also, at this moment, if you wanted to, add like a charm dangle. I'm probably gonna add, I wanna add something, but I don't know what, because it needs like a wording or something. So I'll see. Okay, so that's what we have. And what you can do is take this and add a little bit of dab of glue there. So when this gets pushed up, it kind of gets caught up in there like this. And now we have one super spunky little witch peppermint candy wand. And then we have this one. And we'll do the same with this one. I should have done 2 at a time, huh? We'll call it that. A little bit. Getting caught. All right, friends. So I went through and found some fun stuff to add to them. Okay, I have the Stamp Market paper, and I thought it'd be perfect to add a little tag there, as well as a cute little candy corn charm that someone made. And I got this in a swap, I want to say like a couple years ago. I think it went with like a Frank Garcia design. I can't remember if it was Gina who gave that to me. Oh. And then the other thing I did was, here's another little tag from the Stamp Market. It's like a little cut apart sheet, but I added little stars, and that comes from the chipboard set from ScrapDiva Designs. And oh my gosh, you guys, I love them. See how quick they came together. It's just color combos. I'll definitely come back with some more projects for you guys, and all this is available. The new release is out now, so I'll I'll link everything in the description box that I use. Don't forget to use my discount code MWalker10 to save 10% off. Check out the hashtag ScrapDiva Designs for ideas and inspiration. I appreciate you guys stopping by in this quick little tutorial. I'm hoping to have more. I'm really trying my hardest, you guys. I am just a schlacker when it comes to doing videos. Sometimes I don't know why. It's work. I can't just make it and share. Anyways, definitely check out the links. Check out all the other girls that are crafting, because it's Christmas bonanza. It's so cute. I'm gonna start doing Christmas too, so expect some stuff from there, and come back soon for some more videos. Bye guys.